Delta Bytes TV.
Hello world, welcome to another video by Delta Bytes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how hackers embed malicious files in photos, especially in these coming holiday seasons, and lure the innocent citizens into clicking the malicious files, which at the end gives them the access to the current machines. Before we continue, this is a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes. All operations are executed at my home lab. Welcome and get tuned in, as we are going to use Villian. Villian is a Python programmed script which you can run on your machines, and then it generates, as we can see here. Villian is the Windows and Linux backdoor generator and mode session handler that allow users to connect with sibling servers, other machines running Villian. By this you can run one Villian host machine, then share with other sibling servers. For example, let's assume you run the Villian backdoor generator on your machine. Then later, when you execute or you get access to a current machine, then you can share with your peers, then they can execute different codes or the different attacks. As you can hear, the main idea behind the payload generated by this tool is inherited from HoaxShell. Yeah. Also, you might encounter some bugs because this is an early release which is being tested. So to run these Villian backdoor generators, as you can see here, let's see the installation and usage. You clone. First of all, you go to your browser, then type Villian, GitHub, press enter. The first result here from telemarketers. Yeah, open that one. Then let's see the installation guides, where they are going here. Let me zoom a little bit so you can see. You clone. So we're going to open. Okay, I've already downloaded the file. I have already cloned it. As you can see, is here the component here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open terminal. Yeah, I've also created a virtual environment to separate with the other project. So I'm going to activate my virtual environment. So you're going to source Villian bin activate. Then let's see, we're supposed you go to the Villian directory, pip install all requirements. So let's close this one. So you're going to install all requirement. Already done that. This is a demonstration. Let me show you. All the requirement already satisfied. So as you can see here, you should learn villain as a root user. So what I'm going to do, sudo learn, enter your password. Okay, an error there. So you're going to python villain.py. Yes, this time runs as clear. Also try to make this big. Let's try to zoom. I'm going to zoom. Yeah, let's zoom a little bit. Yeah, so to generate a payload or backdoor payload, we're going to, let's see, first help. These are the commands which you can run. Help, print this message, connect with sibling servers, generate backdoor payload. This is what we are going to use. So let's clear. Also you can learn help generate, and it's going to show you how you are going to generate the payloads for the type of OS you are targeting. For instance, the Windows here, you assign the OS to Windows, and for Linux you assign OS for Linux. In my case, I'm going to target the Windows. So let's clear. Sorry for that, clear. So then generate our OS Windows. Then we miss one, the localhost equals to our, so in this case we are going to A0. You can either decide to obfuscate or even to encode it with base 64. I'm going to leave it as it is. So you press enter and the payload is generated always. It's here. It is a PowerShell payload. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy this PowerShell. Yeah, copy, then go to our current machine here, Windows. We are going to run PowerShell. Come on. Yeah, and paste. So the code has already been executed. Let's get back to our attacker machine and see if we got a connection. As you can see here, backdoor session established on our machine, our current machine. So let's see the sessions. As you can see, I've gained access to our current machine here. Session ID, this one, IP address, OS type, Windows, user, owner. As you can see, it is myself, status, active. So there, get into our paste. Yeah, we're already in our machine. Let's see, who am I? you can see. Let's create and learn net user account administrator who databytes. You can also system info and see. Yeah, taking a little bit. Yeah, as you can see, Microsoft Windows 10 Pro for workstation, Windows user, installation date, system boot. You can see here manufacturer VMware, why it is running, processors. You can get so many information about our current machine. So let's exit from here. Get back to variant. Let's see if our session is still active. Yeah, we are still active. Now attacker may get a little bit fancy with this. So I'm going to show you how, after generating the backdoor, it can be embedded on a PNG file or a JPEG file or picture in this sense, or it can as well be embedded on a PDF file, those kind of files. So in my case, I'm going to embed it on a PNG file. For instance, it is around the Christmas session or season. Let me try to extra large. As you can see, this is the file or the PNG file we are going to embed our backdoor payload. So we are going to do another thing before we continue. Another thing you should I'm going to use is the WinRAR to help me to embed the payload. This is a PNG file. This is an icon file which I'm going to show you how to apply it in the WinRAR. So I'm going to create a new file here, a command script file or a CMD or a BAT file. So I'm going to call it Christmas. Enter. I'm going to open it with Notepad, and then we're going to paste our payload here. Let's get back to our attacker machine. No, I think we have already somewhere running here. Yeah, you can copy it, paste it. Now for this we're going to go to run, because it is a PowerShell script. You're going to write PowerShell and this the script should be in quotation mark, inside the quotation marks. And cross with double quotation mark. Then we come here, save as, come here, select all files. Don't select the text document here, it will be saved as a text file. Select all document, then Christmas.cmd file, then hit enter. Let's see, this is our file here. Can delete this one, don't need it anymore. Twists, So if for instance we run this file, it is going to execute the same command, and if we get back to our attacker machine, we are going to get the same session was executed, but it was ignored because it is the same. So let's try to run it and see. So as you can see, if we double click this, it's going to run the same commands or execution. If we get back to our machine here, yeah, received verify execution request from an already established session. So it is already running. So what we are going to do, we are going to embed this file to our PNG file. So we are going to right click to select these files here. Let's see now. This file, as you can see, if you open it, let's refresh it. Won't this now. Let me enable the selection mode. No, the view item. Yeah, now I can select the PNG file here and our script here. Then right click. I've already installed the winner add to archive. It's going to open archive name where you want to store it. Let's browse. Want it to be on desktop. Save. Then we are going to create a SFX archive. Select it. Then compression method here. Select best. Then go to the advanced option here as SFX option here. Then setup. So here on the setup, we are going to, let me first cancel here. SFX function setup run after extraction. So these two files we are going to run here. So the first one will be christmas.png, then our script, our command script, christmas.cmd. Then on modes, silent mode, we are going to hide all. Then text and icon, we are going to load SF from file here. This icon I showed you earlier in the beginning. Select open, then press OK. Leave everything as it is, then press OK. Yes, as you can see, our embedded PNG file has been produced. It is here. So let's see what will happen. What will happen if we click here? As you can see here, we have this session. If we click our embedded PNG, we are going to see another received failure execution request, but it is already running, or it is a session already running. So let's get back and open. If we open it is supposed to extract and run our PNG. Yeah, as you can see, our file is here. The command has executed automatically. So if we get back to our attacker machines, retrieve it, as you can see, another received Yeah, to mean our command executed successfully and connected back to our attack machine from the client side. So in this Christmas Eve, you should be very cautious on the files that you are opening. It doesn't matter whether they are on your phones, because as well this can be embedded to those files, for instance the G file, but you can use the MSF Venom to inject those malicious code, which can also be used to connect to mobile phones, yeah, and things like that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and write down in the comment below. Yeah, see you and goodbye. Cheers.